my first day alone in Berlin. I have all this space to do whatever I want. Britney? Hit it, Britney.
Can you just pull it out maybe?
Here. Oh! I'm also interested.
Don't lie!
I know.
Lovely pancake.
Got the raw-gelade flea, getting the core. I'm so dope. We got a mirror. We got a rug. You're telling me this is Berlin? How's your first week in Berlin?
I'm loving it.
Are you really? You know what's about to get real when I'm wearing this shirt. This is my thinking shirt. This is my reflecting shirt. This is my I rolled out of bed 2 hours ago and I'm having my third coffee of the day and still haven't gotten ready shirt. It is hot in Berlin. It has been 31 degrees for the past week and sunny. I've made a lot of progress off camera. Yesterday was 1 week of me living here and 3 days of Issa living here. We've gotten so much done. We got this nice table. We have this laundry. Chilling on the balcony, soaking up the warmth before what I know is going to be a long, dark winter. So feeling grateful. I think the last couple of days for me, the last week, has been just a really affirming and validating, period of time. I think that there was so much uncertainty for me making, all these decisions about my future, of where I want to study and where I want to live and who I want to do all of this with and what kind of vibe I want in my life and how I want to view life and what actually matters to me and the hierarchy of what I value. And there's just so much that I was thinking about. And I almost felt as if I couldn't fully get excited or be relieved when I made the decision because I was lucky to have so many options. My life would be so vastly different depending on which one I chose. But I gotta say, everything about this just seems like it fell into place. Just a week here has already helped me a lot when reflecting on the past year and a half for me, which has been one of the hardest time of my life probably mentally. I've just been through so much inside my own mind, soul, being, and I've struggled so much more than I ever have before. And in some ways I don't know why. I've tried to intellectualize it, I've tried to figure it out, and I have some conclusions, but moral of the story is, sitting here now in an incredible apartment filled with beautiful things, in a city that is so free and fluid and is just exactly the vibe that I want in my life. Living with one of my best friends and someone who I could spend and will spend every day with and love all of it. I'm seeing friends already. I have friends here and they're so kind and they're introducing me to new people, and my parents came to the apartment and they just loved it. They loved the space that we're in, the neighborhood we're in, the city we're in. They love that I'm with her. I love Issa's family, and it's just every single thing just is really, really, really incredible right now, and I can't express how grateful I feel. I know that for a lot of people, this is a tough transition to move into living on your own and supporting yourself and studying and moving to a new city, a new country. Although there's been a lot of stress with this, I felt pretty overwhelmed, especially the first couple of days, not to mention the last 8 months. I think that there's so much ease to that anxiety just by having someone to laugh with and having their family come visit and having friends come over and seeing people you care about and going out and meeting new people and walking on the street and seeing someone who is expressing themselves or having a conversation in a second language and someone being really kind and patient with you and getting to know your Uber driver who drove you home from IKEA with fucking 50 kilos worth of shit. Like what a privilege it is that this is the experience I'm having moving into this chapter of my life. How incredible is it that I live in a time where I can FaceTime my family members, even though they live in another country, and next year they'll move to another continent, and we'll have a time difference, and they'll be thousands of miles away, but with one click of a button, I can see their faces and hear their voices and see where they are, and we can share an experience whenever. And we're back on our German oat milk. I feel better here. I prefer the shower water here in Germany. I prefer the food here. I can walk downstairs and there's 3 vegan restaurants. 3 just under my apartment. Not to mention in this neighborhood, it's hard not to eat plant-based. Got some church bells, a tree, the sun. Ugh, life is good. Life is so good. I could go on and on, but I'm feeling grateful to feel this much gratitude. So the other day, Issa and I went to a bunch of secondhand and antique shops, collector shops, and we got a couple tables, a lamp, some stuff that's being delivered today. So we're kind of hanging around the apartment today. I have to go out and do a few things, get lunch with a friend, and we ordered a projector, so I think we're going to use that, and then head out to a bar tonight to celebrate a day worth of getting organized, because drinks are actually reasonably priced here, and I'm not going to pay 15 euros for a drink like in Amsterdam. Anyway, yeah, and then later this week, I already got some plans, but I got to keep y'all on your toes. I got to keep you guys waiting. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my first couple of weeks here in Berlin. How exciting. Auf Deutsch. Kann ich was in meiner Deutschklasse? Ja.
Well, we should be interior design. Whatever you think looks good. I trust you. No, you're laughing now. Oh my god, oh my god. I swear to god, if you ruin my hair right now.
That actually looks pretty good.
Yeah, it doesn't look so bad. It looks pretty good.
Test with the new hair.
Mm-hmm.
Issa, your hair looks really good.
Thank you.
It is so hot in Berlin. We've been procrastinating everything that we have to do, really. But it's so hot in this window room because there's a big window. So we're gonna go and head out to get a couple things done. I wanna get a plant, I wanna get some organizers, we wanna go to some more antique stores. I'm giving away a lot here. Everyone's really coming together, but I'm gonna give you guys a tour soon, so gotta keep you on your toes.
You need to know the joys of matcha.
I thought she was toasting the plates.
Oh, that's really cool.
Hey, sexy.
In the eyes.
Good morning, guys. It is now Wednesday. Today, Issa and I are on our way out to go and pick up a rug for this room from Facebook Marketplace. And then I am going to head back here and then go out with Nay, who I haven't seen since I got here. And we're gonna do a little co-working moment because I have not done any work for YouTube. at a library. And then she invited me to an art exhibition that I don't have any more information on, but I'm very excited. So, let's go.
Anything from my favorite ladies.
It's pretty.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
I'm here with Nay, who's busy, but she invited me to this art exhibition opening, which by by the time this is out, I think it will already be closed. So if you know, you know. But
Come next
oh
year.
my gosh, I don't think I've ever been so astounded, flabbergasted,
I'm hypnotized.
gobsmacked. I have to say these are my favorite. I'll put the artist name on the screen. But he mixes his own paints to have these pastel colors. Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you for coming. That was so fun.
Positions Berlin Art Fair is Will and Nay approved.
Absolutely.
This automatic focus is not.
Alright. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Follow Will. Bye bye.
And then look at all the pancakes. Ooh.
Ooh, girl.